Hello friends, today's story is about preparations for the war. Duryodhan was upset that Krishna had refused the Kauravas' hospitality. He insisted that the Pandavas should return to another exile when Krishna asked to return the Pandavas' kingdom. Alright, let 5 villages to be given to the 5 Pandava brothers because they are peace loving and want to avoid a war, said Krishna. Duryodhan did not approve and threatened to arrest Krishna. Lord Krishna said, King Dhritarashtra, I will not kill Duryodhan today as Bhim is going to do it in near future. Lord Krishna was well aware of Duryodhan and Shakuni's arrest plan, but he wanted them wishfully to realize it. Dhritarashtra and Karna advised Duryodhan not to arrest the peace messenger, but he did not listen to them. With the help of Dushasana, Duryodhan chained Krishna. However, he realized that he had chained Dushasana instead of Krishna. Then Lord Krishna appeared in his Virat Roop. The whole court was terrified at this. Then he left the court. Lord Krishna knew that peace negotiations with the Kauravas would fail in spite of Yudhishthira's wish. However, by going for the peace talks, Krishna cleverly put the ball in the Kauravas' court. If the peace talks failed, Duryodhan would be blamed for it. If they succeeded, the Pandavas would get the credit for it. With Duryodhan refusing to part with the kingdom he had taken from the Pandavas, the Pandavas had no choice but to wage war. However, Lord Krishna made master preparations for Mahabharata war. When he was in Hastinapur for peace talks, he looked Karna aside and told him about Kunti being his mother. He requested Karna to help his brothers, Pandavas, but Karna turned down his request. Lord Krishna returned to Bhishma. He knew the truth of Karna's birth and did not wish for Karna to fight against his brothers. So Bhishma insulted Karna in the war council. Karna swore not to enter the battlefield until Bhishma died. Lord Krishna was fully aware of the capabilities of his army, Narayani Sena. He thought if the great Balrama enters the battlefield on Duryodhan's side, the game will be over for the Pandavas. Lord Krishna convinced Balrama this Mahabharata war would be filled with unfair and unjust ways. A man of your accomplishments should not tempt his soul by participating in it. You should instead go on a pilgrimage. Thus, Balrama opted out of the war. Duryodhan, on behalf of Kauravas, and Arjun, on behalf of the Pandavas, went to Dwarka to seek Lord Krishna's help for the oncoming war. Lord Krishna was sleeping when Duryodhan entered his room, so he waited for Lord Krishna to wake up and sat near his head. Arjun also came out a little later and he sat at Lord Krishna's feet. When Lord Krishna woke up, he saw Arjun first as he was at his feet and then Duryodhan. He heard both of them seeking his help and made a proposal. Lord Krishna heard Duryodhan and Arjun's plea for his help for Mahabharata war. He proposed, I will not fight in this war, but I am willing to give my mighty army, Narayani Sena. You both will have to choose between me and my army. Duryodhan chose Lord Krishna's army and Arjun chose Lord Krishna. When Duryodhan left, Krishna scolded Arjun, You are so foolish. Duryodhan cleverly took my mighty army, and you are asking for me? I am going to sit idle in the war. I am as good as nothing, Arjun replied. But you are everything for me, my lord. Against the wishes of his counselors, Lord Krishna gave his army to Duryodhan. Then he promised to fight on behalf of the Pandavas, but he made it sound as innocent as possible. He said, I will only be Arjun's charioteer. I will not take up arms. Duryodhan made a fatal mistake again. He underestimated Lord Krishna and agreed to his clever conditions. Lord Krishna is considered one of the chief masterminds of the great Kurukshetra or Mahabharata war. After he had manipulated Bhishma to insult Karna, Karna vowed not to enter the war till Bhishma died. Thus Krishna made sure that Pandavas were free of the terror of Karna for the first few days of the war. During the war, Bhishma was appointed the commander in charge from the Kauravas side. However, Duryodhan was very angry that Bhishma had not managed to kill any Pandavas. In fact, he wanted his best friend Karna to be in charge, so he came up with a plan. All five brothers are still alive even though you are in charge. You are biased towards them, he shouted at Bhishma. This hurt Bhishma and he vowed, by tomorrow evening none of the Pandavas will be alive. If not, I will quit fighting. Thus Duryodhana's brilliant plan to get rid of Bhishma or the Pandavas worked.